Here's what moved markets today.
US-Iran diplomatic negotiations resumed, with talks continuing alongside a rally in technology equities and further US dollar appreciation. The combination reflects divergent dynamics, where improving geopolitical conditions coincide with tightening financial conditions from dollar strength. Bitcoin traded below its 200-week moving average, with the price level occurring during a period of continued dollar appreciation and ongoing uncertainty around Strategy's treasury management decisions. The positioning below the long-term average reflects the sustained weakness in digital asset markets during the current macro environment. Asset manager BlackRock executed one of its largest recorded Bitcoin transfers, while the broader ETF product category continued recording net outflows during the session. The large-scale transfer occurred within the context of continued institutional product redemptions that have characterized recent weeks. Tether's USDT stablecoin traded at a 7 to 10% premium in Indian markets, with the price differential reflecting elevated demand relative to available local liquidity, according to exchange data. The premium indicates structural supply-demand imbalances in the Indian stablecoin market during current conditions. Strategy shares advanced over 12% during the session, following the company's announcement of a new capital-raising framework. The equity movement occurred despite continued Bitcoin price weakness, with investor response focused on the company's corporate treasury financing structure rather than the underlying digital assets performance. US Senate Republicans expressed intent to advance the Clarity Act toward a vote in July, with consumer protection provisions remaining a central focus of ongoing legislative discussions. The timeline reflects continued bipartisan engagement with comprehensive digital asset market structure regulation. Looking at this morning's price action as of 10:00 Central European Time, the market shows extraordinary positive asymmetry. Tyco up 30.77%, an exceptional move in Layer 2 scaling infrastructure, alongside Lit Protocol adding 11.1% and Layer 0 gaining 7.50%, with double-digit strength distributed across scaling, privacy, and cross-chain protocols. On the downside, losses are moderate and contained. Energy Web token down 9.02%, Eigenlayer off 6.63%, and Avail declining 5.99%. Mid to high single-digit selling across energy infrastructure and restaking platforms, with downside substantially smaller than the leading gains. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index edges up to 17, rising 1 point from yesterday's 16 as the quarter closes. The marginal improvement occurs alongside today's highly positive market structure, where Tyco's 30% gain and broad double-digit strength dramatically outpaced contained losses, yet aggregate sentiment barely registered the positive session. The quarter ends with sentiment at extreme fear, having traced a remarkable journey from the 61 greed reading on April 22nd through sustained neutral consolidation around 50, followed by progressive deterioration back through fear and into extreme fear territory. The 44-point decline from peak to current levels represents one of the most significant sentiment collapses observed over a single quarter.